G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to show you all the Vitamix accessories that are available to purchase in Australia. So let's start with the classic accessories. The only classic Vitamix model available in Australia is the E310. It comes standard with a 1.4 litre container. However, you can purchase a 2 litre low profile container if you want to make larger quantities. That's compatible. You can also purchase a smaller 900ml container that comes with a wet blade assembly, 900ml dry blade container. You can grind grain into flour and knead dough. Recently, Vitamix have released this personal cup adapter, which is compatible with the E310 model and the previous classic Vitamix models. So basically this just unscrews. You got a 600ml cup, and that goes on there. It comes with a lid, so you can put that on there, take it straight to work. It includes the blade base and 2 600ml blending cups. Now all Vitamixes come with a tamper, but if you want, you can purchase a tamper holder. That just latches here on the side of the machine, and then you're always going to know where your tamper is. Now the Ascent series blenders come standard with a 2 litre low profile container. However, if you want to make smaller quantities, Vitamix offer some 1.4 litre containers. So I've got a 1.4 litre container with a wet blade, a 1.4 litre dry blade container for grinding grains into flour and kneading dough. In the Ascent series, they offer an air disc container. So that's an aerating blade that can muddle, it can emulsify and do different recipes that the standard blades can't do. The Ascent series also has some 600ml and 225ml blending bowls. You can purchase a blending starter kit. So that includes the blade base, a 600ml cup, and a 225ml bowl. So the blending base is compatible with the 600ml cup and also the 225ml bowl. So you can also purchase the 600ml blending cups separately. The 225ml blending cups you can purchase in a 2-pack. You can also purchase a tamper holder for the Ascent series blender. It's got a little slot here. It just slides in, turn it over, and then you won't forget where your tamper is. You can get a red silicone spatula or an underblade scraper. Perfect for getting your peanut butters from out underneath the blade. Now, unfortunately, we've recently been informed by Vitamix that they will not be releasing the food processor attachment for the Ascent series blenders in Australia. We were pretty disappointed to hear this news, but unfortunately they can't release it here. So if you want to know more about which Vitamix model to purchase, be sure to check out my 2024 comparison video. Now, if you need to purchase any Vitamix accessories, please head over to our website at rawblend.com.au. You'll also find hundreds of free Vitamix recipes. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit us up in the comments below. But until then, happy blending.